Welcome back. iPhone 13 release date. When is the upcoming iPhone 13 coming out? The first iPhone 13 rumors came out right before Apple CEO Tim Cook had revealed the iPhone 12. As of now, there is no set date for the iPhone 13 release, but the rumors suggest that it could be in September 21. Along with this, there could be 4 new iPhone 13 handset, new promotion, 120Hz display, a new quad camera with 10x zoom, a new A15 chipset. Apple has been rumored to make an iPhone with no external ports for some time in efforts to make more singular and cohesive design. Since the launch of MagSafe on iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, there are more changes that upcoming iPhone 13 will be removed. The Lightning connector and iPhone 13 charging port is not going to exist. Apple iPhone 13 specification.